You wake up in the morning, and the first thing you do is check your phone, praying that your short has done well and earned a ton of views. But, to your surprise, the holy YouTube algorithm has not blessed you, and the short is limited to only 200 views and 3 likes and is killed forever. You are now depressed and seek dopamine boost by watching other people's shorts, which have millions of views. How do you change this? How to get 1 million views on your short and make your perpetual vision a reality? Well, if you want your short to get algorithmic promotion by YouTube, follow below recommendations and additional bonus tips in each of your short to get the deserved W. To keep it simple, making a short go viral is all about 1. Hooking the viewers to the short, dubbed VVSA, viewed versus swiped away ratio, and 2. Retaining the audience attention, called AVD, average view duration. 1. Add a hook. Always add a hook. I cannot stress this enough. Do not ignore this. Hook is the most important part. Not writing a hook and expecting the short to go viral is like going to a McDonald's and expecting the ice cream machine to work. 2. Overstimulate the viewer. In the first 5 seconds, add multiple shots to overstimulate the viewer, and if possible, yell to grab their attention. This helps to improve the VVSA. You can observe this pattern in Mr. Beast's videos. 3. Human face. Depending on your video, try to add a human face at the very beginning. This is expected to provide great visual communication there by hooking the viewer better. Now, we'll see how to improve the view duration. 4. Captions. One of the most important ways to retaining the viewer's attention and improve AVD is to add captions. Make sure you add captions for every word spoken in the short. To take it a step further, change the color of the captions for each scene, and frequently change the size of the captions as well. By doing this, you keep the viewer intrigued as what would be the color and size of the captions in the next scene. 5. Sound effects. YouTube algorithm loves sound effects. Add suitable SFX wherever possible in the video. It helps in engrossing the viewer. 6. No CTA. Do not do CTA or call to action on shorts. Do not make an entire segment in the short requesting for like, comment, share, or subscribe. Remember, this is a short, and the viewer will instantly swipe away, thereby reducing the AVD. For example, say the short length is 36 seconds, 31 seconds video, plus last 5 seconds for CTA. The viewer will immediately swipe away at the 32-second mark. Now your view percentage becomes 32 divided by 36, which is equal to 88.9%. This will put a dent in your AVD and in turn, your short promotion by the holy YouTube algorithm. Your short views will be cut down significantly. Now, if you don't use CTA, your AVD goes beyond 100%, making the short go viral. FYI, shorts loop on YouTube, similar to Instagram, leading to greater than 100% view duration. 7. Progress animation. If possible, try adding a good animated progress bar that shows the duration of the short remaining. I know there exists a red progress bar at the bottom, but adding an animated progress bar like this makes the viewer understand that you respect their time. 8. Emoji in the title. Additionally, try adding at least one emoji in the short title that can overall show the theme of the short. For example, a smiley emoji if it's a heartfelt video, or a sad emoji for sad video, etc. Bonus tips. Before ending, below are some bonus tips for you. 9. Short length. Try to concise the length of the short to about 31 to 35 seconds. I'm not saying you shouldn't go beyond this limit, but you have to understand that the viewer is on a dopamine shot of continuously scrolling and watching short-form content. Hence, it would be difficult to keep their attention with a long short. Also note that making a 15-second small short does not get pushed well by the YouTube algorithm. 31 to 35 seconds is the way to go. 10. Trending music. While uploading the short, use trending and suitable music for the short to help it go viral. 11. Related video. To pull more audiences to your channel, use the related video option to suggest more content to the viewer. 12. Make similar content. If one of your short goes viral, then I suggest you stick to the same template and make similar content to grow your channel further. Bye.